Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to see how can we reset the password from the AUCA e-learning system as well as changing the email. The first step to be taken is to access to the e-learning platform of AUCA by inputting the URL, which is elearning.auca.ac.rw. Secondly, we'll be clicking on login, then we click on forget password. Therefore, we'll be given two fields whereby we can either put the username or email. Once the correct username or email is supplied, you'll be given a link via your inbox or spam of your email. Then you will follow the link that will be given to your inbox or spams. So once you are logged in, then you can update your profile as well as your email or your student ID, why not your full names, and so on and so forth. Let's get started. The very first thing to be done is to input elearning.auca.ac.rw. Then we'll be given the homepage of the AUCA e-learning system. As you can see here, the AUCA e-learning system is having 6 categories or course categories, and you can even go there to expand and even see the courses that are available in each and every category. So here at the homepage, what we can say, you can either be able to see these categories of the courses. You can also see the site news as well as the AUCA e-library catalog and even e-library MIS. Together with this, you can also be able to see the e-learning support staff, whereby you can see the engineers who are always ready to assist you whenever you have a problem. After this, there is also a calendar that will be showing you what is planned for the e-learning system. If there is a planned update, you'll be seeing it from the calendar. If there is a general maintenance, you can also see it from there. So let us continue. After going there, so we need to go to login, as we have detailed it here in our step-by-step. So after reaching login, then for us, because we're not sure, for example, let me put NEOS 2021 and the password is this one. So when I log in, you can see that the system is rejecting my request. It is telling me that it's invalid login. Yet I am sure that plus I am sure about the ID or the username, but not the password. So let me go to forget your username and or password. So once you're there, then you can either supply the username or you supply the email address. It depends on what you remember. But remember that whenever you put a username or an email, you'll be given an email to your correct email. So let me say, for example, I remember my email. When I say search, then the system will be sending something. Okay, if you supply the correct username or email address, then an email should have been sent to you. It contains easy instruction to confirm and complete the password change. If you continue to have difficulty, please contact the site administrators. These are the other people that I've shown you. So let me go to my email. I'm going to refresh my email. So in my inbox, I am expecting the email to be given to me via the inbox. You can see that there is nothing here, but I can go to more, then I go to spams. After reaching to spams, you can see that the Adventist University of Central Africa has given me an email. Hi Jean Paul, you have been given this and this. So usually here in the email that has been given to me, we can even read a password reset was requested to your account at our official AUCA e-learning system. To confirm this request and set new password for your account, please go to the following web address. So which means I am only going to copy this link. And then I paste it somewhere like here. So after pasting this link, I need only to press enter. So you can see that the link is giving me where I can put the new password. let me say that, for example, my new password is this one, which is also the same. I need to repeat the same username and password, the same password. Okay, I will click on Save Changes. After Save Changes, then I will be given the ability to log in to the AUCA e-learning system. Wow, as you can see, I have been taken to the home page of my account, and as you can see now, I don't have any course. So remember, if you don't have any course already enrolled in, you can come here to courses and even go to any faculty, for example this faculty, and I can go to any course then enroll myself in. So which means it's up to you then to go in and enroll yourself. Okay, so enrolling in yourself into the course, it is another tutorial, and you can even just see it at the AUCA website. You can see the tutorial on how to do it, but then you need to enroll yourself into the course if you want so. But then the main objective, I need to go to dashboard back. Remember, I have told you we've done with resetting the password. Then we are going to see how can we update the profile, I mean the email. So you will move your cursor or your mouse to where there is this profile picture, or where the profile picture is supposed to be, until your mouse become like a hand. So once it is like a hand, press or click on that picture. So we can even just come there and we can be able to change the email or the password or whatever that we want to change. So let me say, for example, I want to change my email. I want to go from this email to this email. So if, for example, okay, remember that we have told you guys to put the AUCA corporate emails. So like right now, I was having my own email, but then after receiving the AUCA corporate email, I need first of all to change it. So if I say update profile, then they will be giving me usually this email is already in use, but then I can, let me put like an S so that it can be very different, or let me just put another email which is not that one that is used. Okay, like this is also my email. So if I click update profile, then you can see that they have given me something to this email. So there is a link to confirm that this email is valid, that has been sent to this email. So that means we need to follow this email, then we check or we click or we validate our request. Let me go to, as we can see, if we go to the spams of that email that I have supplied, you can see that is a confirmation of the email. So what they want us to do, it is only to click or even to follow. You have requested a change of your email address for your user account at the official AUCA e-learning platform. Please open the following URL in your browser in order to confirm this change. If you have any question, we can contact this in charge, the person in charge. So I'm going to copy that link, I paste it on my browser, then I press enter. So which means the email address of this user was successfully updated. When you go only to that link, it will automatically go or even just give you the success message that you've done with the updation of your email. So thank you guys, thank you very much. The same, make sure that your ID is there, and remember that to put the ID you need to come here on the optional, then you put the student ID, for example 23011. So on ID number together with the institution, make sure that you put this ID there, then you update your profile, make sure that everything is there, which means the AUCA corporate email together with the ID and also your profile picture. How to update your profile picture, you come here on edit profile, then also you just take the profile there. Let me say that, for example, I want to put any profile. You need to go to your computer, then you allocate where your profile is, then you drag and drop your profile, then you'll be done. So which means please make sure that your profile is updated, and also your ID and also your corporate email is there valid. So we are done. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope that it is very useful for most of us who want to update our profile and also to reset the username and password. Thank you and bye bye.